Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase to Revolut. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first things first is we have to identify if it's actually possible for us to transfer from Coinbase to Revolut as of this moment. So currently with how Coinbase and Revolut is currently set up, there is no direct method that we could use to transfer funds from your Coinbase account to your Revolut account. Now in this case, you might need to use third-party services. Now in this case, what you need to do first is you need to set up your bank account on Coinbase. Now users should log in to their Coinbase account and access their settings. Now in the payment section, they should add their bank account details to Coinbase. Now from then, you need to sell your crypto. Now select the cryptocurrency to be transferred. So for example, Ethereum, and sell it on Coinbase. Then proceed from the sale will be deposited into the linked bank account. Now from then on, transfer the funds to Revolut. Now once the proceeds are in the bank account, users can transfer them to Revolut. So this involves moving the funds from the bank account to Revolut using the provided details. Now also be cautious about scam websites. Now sometimes websites would actually pretend as legitimate websites, so make sure to do your research first before using third-party websites to proceed with the transaction itself. Now in this case, that's about it. So in this case, make sure to have your account or properly set up in Coinbase and have your bank account linked in Coinbase. Now once you sell your crypto, make sure that you have it properly credited into your bank account, and once in your bank account, you can then proceed on moving it to Revolut. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.